Aflatoxin M1 rapid test kit for dairy products. We're going to use today a specific product which is meant for the European Union with the detection levels of 0.05 ppb. So for that purpose we prepared this one. Usually what you find in our boxes, you find test tubes with red microwells and test tubes. Stop. So in this test we're going to use also a positive control. In that purpose, first of all, of course, we have here the milk sample. We have one milk sample and the positive controls we are going to use in this case, in our test. We are going to have 2 positive and 2 negative tests. Use 4 microwells, 4 red microwells, 2 for positive and 2 for negative results. This one is our positive control. So what I'm going to do is to take 200 microliters of a milk sample and transfer it, 200, and transfer it first of all to the red microwells. Mix well between 5 to 10 times. Stop. Again, mix well. Avoid bubbles. Now we're going for the positive control. This is a positive one contained with Aflatoxin M1. We're going to put here 200 microliters of our milk sample, mix it well again, and transfer it to the red microwells. Then transfer it here to the red microwell. And then again, transfer it to the red microwell. Mix well. And next step, we will put these samples to incubation of 2 minutes for 40 degrees. Alright, so now we will do the first incubation of 2 minutes. While having this first incubation, prepare the test strips and place them right after the first incubation. Alright, now we place the test strips. And incubate for another 8 minutes. So the second incubation has finished. It was an 8 minutes incubation. What we do is we take out this paper, sample pads, take it out, and first thing we do is observing by eye. Now we compare it to a manual we have in our box, right? So here we can obviously see that these two the result is negative. You see this stripe, the bottom one is much darker than the upper one. Means this is a negative sample. Now, we take it aside. Now we have these two test strips with the positive results. As we can see, the C line, you have only one line, which is the C line, which means it is a positive result. Alright, so after we observed by eye the result, we will put it in our case here in the ceph reader, turning on the ceph reader, placing the test strip this way. Turn to laboratory test mode. Place here and single test screening. Now press scan. It is a positive result. Second test strip, also positive. For now we have 38 and 39 which are positive. Third test strip, negative. This one we had also observed by eye, but this is a negative test. Alright, and the fourth and the last one, test number 41, same, negative. It has no aflatoxin B1 in terms of our limits of detections. Alright, another two things I would like to remark here. If you would like to see the full operation of using our ceph reader in the English version and our desktop reader, please refer to the links I have sent you before. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.